Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yo, Chef Chino here.
It's your boy Planet.
So just letting y'all know, we're starting that cooking show soon, Chino Cooks, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna be the chef on that. Got my visual guy that's doing all the visual work, all the camera work. It's gonna be Planet, top notch, you know what I mean? So we can bring that HD cooking to you know what I'm saying?
Hell yeah.
We're gonna do things like barbecues, live barbecues, nature cooking in the middle of a bush with a one knife and a one little tool or something, you know? And home cooking, all kinds of stuff. So stay tuned, and this is real, man. I'm finally doing this, man. We got a professional film crew, we got a certified chef, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Plan to show them some stuff.
We just finished feeding the block. Thanks to Chino here. Cookout every week, and we're so excited to bring this brand new cooking experience for every walk of life. Everybody who wants to learn cooking, whether it's a low-ball meal, whether it's a middle, whether it's a high class, we got you covered. We want to show the world versatility through food, through video, through the arts. And we want to show people Chino's amazing skills. We're excited to show you what's going on. Stay tuned, a lot more news to come.
See y'all later, y'all. Tap in.